Tonight, the local judge is off the bench, retiring months after making comments some found offensive. It is a story we first told you about in November. And Eyewitness News reporter Jessica Willey is live now in the newsroom with what he said and who's saying the retirement is a good thing. Jessica?
Judge Reagan Helm was supposed to be in court tomorrow. The district attorney wanted him recused from any and all domestic violence cases. Instead, that hearing was canceled late today, shortly after the judge tendered his resignation.
The cases assigned to Harris County Criminal Court at Law Number 1 are always changing. And tonight, one thing that's been constant here for 15 years is changing too.
I think ultimately he did the right thing.
Under fire for berating domestic violence victims, expressing deep-seated bias and trivializing the seriousness of proceedings according to court papers, Judge Reagan Helm resigned effective today. In a resignation letter to county commissioners, he cited his 15-year tenure and upcoming 69th birthday. But the move comes less than 24 hours before our legal analyst predicts the allegations would have just gotten uglier.
One would only suspect here that there was more information about the judge that, both sides didn't want to have revealed.
And it was already bad enough. The district attorney wanted Judge Helm removed from all present family violence cases, a total of 74. A recusal hearing was set for tomorrow morning. A motion filed in November details why. In a case involving a man who was about to be deployed to Iraq and accused of beating his girlfriend, the motion says Judge Helm indicated the country needed men like him to fight for their country and asked the prosecutor if she wanted him here attacking women or fighting the enemy abroad. In another case, according to the motion, Judge Helm asked a woman seeking a protective order against her husband, "How are you going to pay for groceries without him around?"
That's pretty victim blaming and pretty much, not supporting the victim.
Leticia Manzano of the Houston Area Women's Center calls the allegations egregious. Those kinds of comments, she says, discourage victims from seeking help. If true, she believes the judge did the right thing for victims.
This is definitely a good move for victims. We want judges to be fair and impartial, but we also want them to be educated around the issues of domestic violence.
Judge Helm, a Republican, was elected in 1994. He did not return my call for comment. A substitute judge has already been assigned. Live in the newsroom tonight, Jessica Willey, 13 Eyewitness News.